Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a list of 10 data values is shown, and we're given them right here, and we're asked, what is the mean of these data? So to find the mean, or the average, what you do is you take the sum of all the values, which means you add them all together, and you divide that number by the number of values that you actually have. So, what is the number of values? First of all, we know that there's 10. You could also just count them up just to make sure. And the sum of the values means you're adding them all up. So you have 6 plus 8 plus 16, and so on. All of these are added up and then divided by the number of values, which is 10. So add all of these up. You just plug that into your calculator. You'll get 100 divided by 10, which is 10. Therefore, the mean of the data, the average of all these values, is 10, and that's going to be your final answer.